31 days, 31 social media tips to strategize your marketing efforts. Miami Realtors offers you many social media solutions. When you log into the Miami Gateway up on top, or here on the Miami Gateway with your license and password, you have access to Florida Realtors. Clicking through Florida Realtors from the main page, you can access so much information. But for infographics that you may use to share on social media, simply click up top on News and Media and click to Infographics. Select what you're looking for, search by topics, the latest, or whatever it is that you're looking for, and click search. Find an item of your interest, including the top 10 home trends for 2021. Open it up, and you can download it as a PDF for a presentation, download it as a text, or as a JPEG. As a JPEG, you can go ahead and then use it to share on Instagram, Facebook, your Instagram stories, and more. Use these items to entice customers to view your social media pages and be a reference of information. Infographics from Florida Realtors, one of your Miami social media tips. Thank you for being a Miami member.